In this tutorial we will create an ElasticSearch tool workspace and then use it in our app written in Python. We will use the persistent storage option as ElasticSearch can be used for multiple applications. On its first start, the ElasticSearch engine needs to initialize its data, and for that reason the start of this workspace takes a little bit longer. Let's open ElasticSearch web interface of the workspace. Note a GUID of the workspace. Now, in our Python developer workspace, we will find a task that will help us to generate a sample code to work with our ElasticSearch tool workspace. We will use the previously noted GUID of our ElasticSearch workspace. Note that similar workflows are available for other programming languages. Once the workflow has completed, we will go to the project folder and open a tutorial that will guide us through the generated code. The tutorial has detailed instructions on how to install the necessary prerequisites and execute code. The tutorial is built using Python notebook technology and allows execute code snippets one by one. We will first install Logstash. If you use the notebook for the first time on your workspace, it will take a bit of time to install some additional Python notebook components necessary to execute the tutorial. Now we will start Logstash as a background process. This is accomplished using a bash script embedded into the notebook. The process will be monitoring our application log locally and send its content to our ElasticSearch workspace. Next, we will install Python Logstash library that we'll use in our Python sample code to create logs. Now, we will execute our sample code that sends 3 sample log messages with logging levels error, info, and warning. Finally, let's configure our ElasticSearch using these instructions, the workspace and Kibana user interface, and observe those 3 sample log messages that our code has sent. First, open the web interface for your ElasticSearch tool workspace. In left-hand side menu, under Analytics section, select Discover. Click Create Data View. Enter the name of the index you want to create and set the index pattern to Logstash. Save the data view in Kibana. Now, you can see the log messages captured in your ElasticSearch tool workspace. At this point, we can stop Logstash background process using another embedded bash script. Thank you for watching this tutorial.